Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to delete the quick snap which you have sent to your friend. Now if you want to delete the quick snap which you have sent to your friends but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have updated your phone up to date to know about quick snap, because this is a new update available on Instagram, in which you can share with your friends of the quick snap and all of it. So this is the homepage of Snapchat. This is the homepage of Instagram, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the story shared by other people at the very upper taskbar. Now from here, click on the option of delete message, and here you'll see the quick snap which has been sent by your friend. So you may simply scroll it like this, and after scrolling at the very end, you just need to click on the option of quick snap or the camera like icon, and here you'll see the option of a clock light. So click on it, and in this archive section you'll see the quick snap archive. So you just need to click on the quick snap which you want to delete. So if I want to delete this, I just need to click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and here you'll see the option of delete quick snap. So click on the option of delete like this, and from there you'll be able to delete the quick snap which has been shared to your friends. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.